Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sadhna Oja. Welcome to VidyaBridge. Do you want to analyze your data and make strategic decisions? Use ETL tool and become a data analyst. ETL tools are basically an automated process where what we do basically, we extract the data from different sources like from Excel file, CSV file, text data or from any database. So we extract the data, transform it. Transformation means we are doing some kind of changes on the data, transform it and load it to a data warehouse or database. So this is how ETL basically works. The large amount of business data is increasing every day. So managing manually large amount of data set is very difficult. So ETL tools are designed in such a way that it can process the data very quickly and very easily, even though the size of the data is very large. And it makes sure that the processing is done accurately without loss of the data. So it makes the processing of the data very simple. So with the help of ETL tool, we can extract, transform and load the data very simple, very quickly, very accurately and in a perfect manner in a data warehouse. So this is how ETL works. Now, why data analyst from VidyaBridge? Here we are going to train people with industry experts person having rich experience in the technology, and the course is designed in such a way that a beginner can also learn. We cover the basics of the SQL which is required for the data analytics and leading to the ETL tool. From the course is designed from the beginner level to the advanced level. It is designed for all skill sets. So it makes very simpler and easier to learn. So what are you waiting for? Join VidyaBridge. Thank you.